Hello friend, welcome back to my new video. Today video title is guys, find my device setting in Tecno phone. Friends, you want to disable your find my device in your Tecno phone. So friends, how can you disable it? In this video, I am going to show you friends. So guys, today we will talk about find my device, how to disable in Tecno mobile. So first of all guys, we will on guys our phone setting to disable find my device. Then guys scroll it and guys you can see guys your phone security setting fans. Tap here. So you can see guys find my device setting fans. Tap here. So you can see guys find my device is enable and guys you want to disable. So friends you can disable from here. After disable guys your this setting will off. You can say turn on find my device so you can find lock for reset or reset this device it if it lost. So I hope friends you have understood how to disable find my device in Technophone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.